hair cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like Marty, bro. I look like somebody granny right now, like, be for real. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from Nadulahair. If I'm thinking correctly, I've worked with Nadula one other time and absolutely loved the unit. I'll make sure to pop up that thumbnail right here and also link that video up in the cards up above and also in the description box if I remember, so you guys can check that out a little bit later. In today's video, they sent over one of their Bye Bye Knots 2.0 units. It goes by the name of 7x5 pre-bleached natural looking Yaki straight glueless wig. Before I show you all the wig, I want to show you the packaging for this unit. Like, look how cute this is. It's like a little purse. I don't know, the last one didn't come packaged like this, and I don't know if this one came packaged like this because it's one of their Bye Bye Knots units. I don't know, but it was just cute. So I feel like I needed to show y'all. In this package, they sent over tons of cute little goodies along with like a satin robe that I'll probably change into if I get a little bit too hot in my current robe. But the main thing we're worried about when it comes to this package is the wig, and this is her in all of her glory. She is a Yaki straight 12-inch bob, but they also sent over some of those like little tapes that you can use, you know, if you don't want to use the glues and sprays. Now, I truly appreciate whenever a company says that it's going to be like a pre-everything unit, and it really comes pre-everything, you know, pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairline, and pre-bleached knots. Y'all, look at these knots. You don't see no knots because they are not there. You can tell that this unit has been pre-bleached, which I can really appreciate. The cap construction for this unit comes with one large comb in the back. It also has adjustable straps back here. It also comes with a security band off to the side. But then another thing I want to point out about this unit is it does have like the curves for the comfortable ear situation, or comfortable ear situation for the comfortable ear situation. So it'll sit comfortably against your ear. Yeah, just from looking at this unit, I can tell that this is probably going to be a really quick, easy, and simple install. I did go ahead and attach my security band just because, I mean, like, who don't like a little extra security in the back?
Through me already, gave you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Get it over text and you call me, still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody, yeah. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You'll try and come back in the tape. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real life, baby. You wanna give me stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about my pros and cons for this unit. Y'all, I'm gonna keep it real quick, short, sweet, and simple. I don't have any cons when it comes to this unit. Nadula really said that we are going to give the girls a true wear and go straight out of the box type of unit. And I feel like they really did that. Yes, I did go in and customize mine, but I don't know. In my opinion, I feel like the customizations, you know, just added that little bit of razzle dazzle on top. You feel me? She for sure came with the pre-cut lace, but again, I've said this in past videos and I'll say it in this video. I'm not the biggest fan of like the extra little like wavy part whenever it's a pre-cut lace, so I'm always going to cut off that excess. The unit did come with a nicely pre-plucked hairline, but in my opinion, something I've noticed, and I've said this in past videos as well, so sorry if I'm repeating myself, but whenever it's a closure unit, I'm starting to realize that I like a little bit of baby hair, especially whenever it is a natural colored textured unit. Like, I don't know, I just feel like it helps it blend just a little bit more because I don't know, I feel like I'm always saying I don't know, but then I try to explain myself. Girl, anyways, I just feel like the lace on the side will like possibly lift up, especially seeing as how I didn't use any like spray or glue or anything like that to keep this unit down. Maybe had I done my normal typical install of like using some spray to like melt the whole hairline down, then maybe I wouldn't have put on baby hairs. I don't know, probably would have, but whatever. Nonetheless, I did go ahead and add me some baby hair, so I did go ahead and customize that part, and I went ahead and pre-plucked. I mean, well, you guys seen if you've been watching the whole video. Went and pre-plucked a little bit more just so you know the baby hairs can be separated from the actual hairline. Yeah, you get me, you feel me. Girl, it came with a pre-plucked hairline, but then I went in and customized it. Boom. I showed you guys earlier how the knots on this unit have been pre-bleached. Like, y'all look at this. It is literally giving scalp. I did like the 12-inch bob, but I don't know. I feel like this, I don't know if this is going to be considered a 10-inch or a 12-inch now, or a 10-inch or an 11-inch now, but I feel like the more blunt type of bob looks just a little bit better on me. At least whenever it's like a middle part bob, I don't know, I just feel like the shoulder length looks more healthier and a little bit more styled in my opinion. Like the 12-inch gets very natural, like, oh yeah, that's her hair, it's growing out of her head. But this is like, oh, she just came from the salon, the beauty parlor, whatever you want to call it, and yeah, she got a little trim. Her hair cute, her hair healthy. Yeah. My camera died, so sorry if the angle switched up just a little bit, but anywho, nonetheless, y'all grab y'all this wig, because this is one of those wigs that you can literally wear all year round for any occasion, for any reason. I want to know y'all's thoughts and opinions about this wig down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.